in order to control the climate in the driver's cab. The air conditioner has three modes of operation: cooling, ventilation, and heating. The air conditioner is designed to maintain a given target or set point temperature in the driver's cab. DMRC has decided that the target temperature in the driver's cab should be 25 degrees Celsius, and the HVAC control logic has been programmed accordingly. The climate control mechanism is best explained using this diagram. The cab temperature is measured with a digital probe installed in the return air opening of the air conditioner. When the temperature exceeds the set point, the HVAC unit operates in cooling mode. This mode of operation is communicated via TIMS as cool. The cooling power exceeds the heat load and the return air temperature eventually comes down. As soon as the return air temperature falls below 24.5 degrees Celsius, the refrigeration system is switched off, and the air conditioner continues to provide fresh air ventilation and recirculation of the driver's cab air. The TIMS display shows vent. In ventilation mode, the temperature in the cab will rise again, and as a result, the cooling mode will restart. The HVAC cycles between cooling and ventilation mode to maintain the target temperature in the cab. Heating is provided to improve the passenger comfort during the cold season. The heaters are energized when the return air temperature falls below the set point -5 degrees Celsius, and the TIMS display shows heat. As soon as the return air temperature has risen above this value, the heaters are turned off, and the HVAC unit continues to operate in the ventilation mode. The air conditioner will neither heat nor cool when the return air temperature ranges between the heating and cooling thresholds.